Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for coming. Nice to see you. My name is Kelly and this is the Diva Den, and this is a place where I like to talk all things home related. So today I am going to be heading into my laundry room, mudroom combination area. I have to organize it. There's a lot of junk in there and I need to get it cleaned out. So this room serves a couple of purposes. It's not only my laundry room, but it's also where we come in through the garage. So it's a mud room as well, and we hang our coats and put our boots in the winter and things like that. So it serves a bunch of different purposes, and it can get quite messy, and it is a little of a disaster zone right now. And I also have front-loading washing machines. And these machines are on pedestals. Because I'm shorter, when we bought them, I found it hard on my back to bend down and get into these machines. So we bought pedestals to raise them up a little bit, and that really did help. It did help. I do have a little bit of back issues sometimes, so it did help having it more at eye level for me. This means that the pedestals, they do have storage underneath, and I do use it, but it does mean they get very messy and dirty because it's very easy to throw things in there and forget about it, and close them up and forget about it. So I do have to do that. My back hallway, I also keep a lot of my cleaning products for the main level there, and you tend to just throw things back, and you'll see it's it needs to be tidied up. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I hope this motivates you to maybe look at an area in your home where it needs to be cleaned up a little bit. So I guess I better get going, and because I have a lot of laundry to do. There's actually some laundry being done in there, so you'll see. It's a mess, and we gotta move some stuff out. So I gotta get going. Here's Gussie. It's his favorite spot when I'm down here working in the laundry room. Hey buddy, you look like you're in jail. You gonna come? You gonna come help me in the, yeah? You gonna come help me clean up the laundry room? That took a lot longer than I thought, but I think I got everything done what I wanted to get done, and it does look so much better. So here, let me show you what I did. So I took out all the winter clothes all the winter coats, took them out of the closet, and that frees up a lot of space for any, you know, summer jackets or sweaters that we might need. Up top, believe it or not, my husband did purge his hats. I asked him to, but we got rid of 3. But you know, you have to do what you gotta do. And then here, I decided to leave my winter hanging thing right there because it's not in anybody's way, and I really don't have another space for it. The shoes are all good. They're all down there. So now over here in my cleaning section, I got rid of the big thing of paper towels and took them all out. They're all individually wrapped, which is really kind of cool. So I put them up there because that's where we will go for the first ones, and I left our green garbage bags up there. That's my hanging area for clothes that come out of the dryer that need to be hung up. And that's my basket for dirty towels, dirty dish rags, rags that I use for cleaning. I just throw them in there when they need to be cleaned, and then I can grab them when I have a load ready. And underneath my little shelving unit, I cleaned that up and organized it a bit more with my cleaning products. And again, extra paper towels. We are stocked for paper towels. We don't need paper towels. We're stocked. Okay, underneath. Now, I'm embarrassed to say I don't remember the last time I actually cleaned underneath these, so they were pretty dirty. There was a lot of stuff in there. But in the one underneath the dryer on the far end, I put my container, and I organized all my extra vacuum bags and the Swiffers and the mops, the bottom parts for the mops for the floors. And under the washing machine closest to us, I put some more extra paper towels and got rid of most of those plastic bags. I don't even know why we had so many bags underneath there. It was just easy, I guess, to shove them there. And over here, guys, I cleaned up this area, moved the shoe rack over, took down any winter boots. I cleaned off the top shelf, which I like to put my green bins on, so I remember to put them out into the car. And then again, I just cleaned up all the extra little coats that were up here. There were some winter coats there, and just have the dog stuff, some umbrellas, and my extra bag. Okay, guys, that's it. That took a lot more work than I thought. It was a lot dirtier than I thought. So thank you for sticking with me with this one. It's probably a long one. And I do have to say, I just realized as I sat down, I'm in my really crappy shorts that I use for cleaning and gardening and things. So I'm so embarrassed, but excuse the attire on the bottom on my legs. It's my really ugly shorts, so excuse that. But thank you so much for sticking with me, and I hope this gave you some motivation to go clean out a space that you've been avoiding in your home and just get it fresh. It feels good to have it done, but it's one of those areas that you can close the door and forget about it. But I'm glad I did it because now I feel much better. It's much more organized. And I know in a week it'll probably look like a cyclone hit it, but at least it's clean for now. So until next time, guys, I hope if you liked this video, you'll give it a thumbs up and think about subscribing by hitting that red button below. I'd love to have you join me each week as I share more videos on how to organize or clean or DIYs. I hope you'll stop by again. So until next time, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye, you guys.